Here's a hands-on activity you can do with your students if you are teaching about human anatomy. You can you can have students make a skeleton model so that students can learn about the bones and how they work. Paper towel rolls and toilet paper rolls and painted them white. Some simply drawn bone parts. Femurs with patella, fibula and tibia, humerus, radius and ulna, hands and feet and skull, the chest and the pelvic girdle as one unit. First order of business, I'm going to cut these items out. For this to be a learning activity, I would have students label the major bones. This is going to get put together with string, and so I'm going to punch some holes. Measure the length of your skeleton parts and cut your tubes to the appropriate length. You could tape or glue the bones onto the toilet paper rolls. I'm going to do the string connections first and then tape them on. And there you have it.